Hey, money magnets, you should drop Navy Federal for these $25,000 credit cards at this credit union.
So, Gloria, you really think Liberty Credit Union can beat Navy Federal?
Yes, Marvin, they were named the National Credit Union of the Year in 2023.
All right, let's dig into these products and see why you really think that.
Okay, the first reason why I love this credit union, because you can get pre-approved in a matter of seconds, Marvin. So you don't have to wait long and you can join at the same time.
And the good thing is open to everyone.
Okay, so let's dive into the first product that they offer, which is the Visa Platinum Rewards Card. Now, let me tell you about why I love this card, Marvin. Is because I can set a bill pay and get 3 times the points. Like, for example, my Netflix, hey, you have to pay that bill anyway. As well as when we go get gas and groceries, you get 2 times the points for that. And you get 1 times the points on all other purchases. Now, another wonderful thing about this particular card, Marvin, is you can do a balance transfer and there's no charge for doing the balance transfer.
Also, it's 0% for 6 months. And guys, look, we know Americans are $1.2 trillion in debt. Look, you need to balance transfer some of this stuff, get some 0% interest and save some money, guys. And if you got any experience with Liberty Credit Union, please drop some comments below and make sure you like and share this video.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into the next card.
All right, the next card is the Platinum Prime Plus card. With this card, you got no balance transfer fees. You get 0% for 6 months on balance transfers. Also, for new purchases within the next 6 months, it's a 1.99% intro rate.
Marvin, I am loving these cards with Liberty. Like, you don't want to sleep on this credit union because that's what it's all about, money magnets. We're trying to empower your finances so you can know the best credit unions, the best places to go get money from. So, Marvin, let's talk a little bit about what more they have to offer.
All right, guys, remember too, if you want to raise up to $250,000 for your business, make sure you get a free business strategy call with Gloria and myself in the description below.
Okay, money magnets. They also have a personal loan that goes up to $20,000. Okay, and they give you 60 months to repay this. Now, money magnets, keep in mind, the longer term that you choose, the higher your interest rate and the larger your note is going to be.
All right, guys, remember, you may be able to bundle all your credit cards in this $20,000 loan. That way you got one payment and you can save money.
That's a good way to pay some of your debt down, Marvin, and also raise your credit score at the same time. But let's dive into the auto loans because their auto loans, woo, Marvin, I'm loving it.
All right, guys, the great thing about the auto loans, they go up to $150,000 and you can finance it for 84 months. And like Gloria said earlier, with all these products, you can get pre-qualified within seconds. That means a soft pull until you actually accept the offer, then they'll do a hard pull on experience.
And Marvin, let's not forget, they do have a loan calculator. So you can kind of know what your payments are going to be, as well as when you do the pre-qualification, it'll also let you know what your payment's going to be before you even accept the terms.
And all you got to do is donate $5 to their nonprofit to become a member. And remember, guys, it's open to everyone, all 50 states.
And money magnets, another thing about this credit union is you don't get the hard inquiry until you actually accept the loan.
And you can pre-qualify for more than just one thing. It may be a car, it may be a credit card, or you can get approved for that personal loan, all with just checking out the pre-qualification tool that they have.
We're going to jump right back into this video, but I just wanted to take a moment and share something with you. I know you're wondering, how can you qualify for this card if you don't have great credit? Well, guess what? I've been there before. I went through a bad divorce, I had collection accounts, and I even lost my business. Well, no worries. I have the solution for you. It's Luxury Credit Hacks. It's a 3-step process. Number 1, it imports the credit report for you in under 1 minute. Can you believe that? Step number 2, it creates your dispute letters for you. You don't have to think about it. And number 3, it emails it to you. So then all you have to do is print, mail, and you're done. All the work is done for you. Let's head right back over to the video. Okay, Marvin, let's dive into the mortgages because they have so much to offer. I am so ready to buy. I want to buy a car. I want to get a new house. Well, I should say a new condo. You know, I want to get all of these products because that's why I feel like this credit union is better than Navy Federal.
And they also have a business side. If you guys want us to do the business side of this, make sure you comment below. But you're right, Gloria, with the mortgages, you can purchase, you can build, you can refinance. And then they had condo loans, adjustable rate loans, conventional loans, new build loans. I mean, I can kind of see why you think this might be better than Navy Federal.
Okay, Money Magnets, I know a lot of times we're looking for resources
Right.
when we're, a first-time home buyer. Maybe you never purchased a home before.
Right.
But this particular credit union has so many options for you. Marvin, let's not forget they have FHH loans.
Yes.
They have Fannie Mac home loans. They have fixed rate blended jumbo loans, and they have just regular jumbo loans for like doctors. And, if you're over a certain amount, that could really, really help you.
Yeah, I also saw lot loans, even USDA, physician loans, and turnkey financing. I mean, when I say they have everything, guys, anything that you want to do when it comes to real estate, I believe they can offer it.
Okay, Marvin, I'm going to most definitely have to tell my parents about this credit union because guess what? They have a VA loan and my parents are looking to buy another home and my dad was in a service. So guess what? This is better than Navy Federal for me.
Yeah, I have to agree with you. They got a lot of products. And to me, that pre-qualification tool, that does it because now you can actually see if you are pre-qualified before you apply. That increases your chances of getting approved.
And Marvin, let's not forget Money Magnets. This has been a proven fact that they were voted #1.
Yeah.
So that right there is a cash flow changer all by itself for me. So don't sleep on this particular credit union.
Yeah.
Okay, Marvin. So is it time for me to start asking again, Money Magnet? I want the car, Marvin. Can we get a new condo?
Look, guys, you ought to seriously think about Liberty Credit Union. They have a lot to offer, and the products are great because you can pre-qualify. So you'll know before you actually apply for it if you got a good chance of getting approved.
Okay, Marvin, let's do a quick recap of what Liberty has to offer.
All right, remember, guys, it's only $5 to join their nonprofit. That gets you in the door. Then you can use the pre-qualification tool to see if you can get approved for that car, the auto loan, or maybe a personal loan. And guys, remember, they're gonna pull experience. So I make sure my credit score was over 700. And then with your check systems, make sure you got under 3 inquiries on your check systems.
Okay, Money Magnets, you also want to make sure that you don't have any freezes on your credit report or fraud alerts because we've seen a lot of our students get denied because they forgot to take the freeze or the fraud alert off.
Yeah.
And this credit union is really big for denying you for that reason.
Yeah, and just remember, guys, we tell you about these different credit unions and banks so you can start a business on the side. And remember, if you want to raise up to $250,000 for your business, Gloria and I offer a free business strategy call. All you got to do is look at the description below.
Okay, hold up, Marvin. I have a gem.
What you got, babe?
Okay, Money Magnets. Marvin and I have talked about what's going on with banks shutting down accounts. So if you want to know more about that, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.